Make-believe watches, make-believe watches. It's not on your wrist, because it doesn't exist. It's only in your head, so Photoshop it instead. Make-believe watches. What are we looking at here? Clearly, probably one of the most gorgeous rollies ever. That Sky Dweller in rose gold with that blue dial, when that debuted a year ago, absolutely fell in love with it. And yes, of course, the green colorway does call to me. This is mostly make-believe watches, also maybe Rolex predictions 2024. I was talking to Curt the other day in the car as I was rolling around, and we got to talking about how Rolex does not have a world timer. What would it look like? What would we call it? Came up with the name World Commander, but that was a little bit oppressive, so dropped it down to World Command. And Watch by Design seemed to agree that that name title rolls off the tongue. We've got all of the cities, 24 cities around that mini disc in the middle where the 24-hour scale used to be. And then I moved that 24-hour scale out to the bezel, more or less a GMT-looking command bezel. I would have this watch. I don't know, looking at it right now, maybe the blue of that bezel is a little too much. But you know, the GMT root beer rose gold has, you know, some bold colorways as well. So I like this one. But at the end of the day, we all have to hold our breath to see what Curt thinks about it. As he is certainly one of the most opinionated commentators ever to be seen. I love it. Make-believe watches, mission accomplished. And if you want to get some make-believe watches from the OG Skynet, pick up a book, 1001 Watch Designs Volume 1, available at www.hobbyofhours.com. And it's a great way to, share in the hobby, show your support, and get yourself a watch book. All right, like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.